Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy AI16z on Phantom Wallet. So you can go about buying this token by opening up your browser and logging on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of this video. Once you're logged in, all you need to do is simply scroll through, and where we have the contracts, that is contracts, scroll till you find its Solana contract address. Copy this Solana contract address, minimize and open up a wallet. In this tutorial video, we're going to be going with the Phantom Wallet. So once you've opened up the Phantom Wallet, make sure you have Solana to cover your transactions and to be able to buy the token. If you do not have Solana to buy the token, simply click on the buy option on the dashboard. Go ahead and select Solana, enter an amount of SOL you wish to purchase using your credit or debit card. Once you've entered an amount, all you need to do now is click on buy and enter your details, and you'll be charged from your card. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some Solana, all you need to do now is, with the copied contract address, head to the swap option at the bottom of your screen. So click on swap here, and where it says you pay Solana, you get grass tokens. In place of grass, simply paste the contract address for the AI16z. Click on this and then enter an amount of Solana you'd wish to convert into this token. So now once you've entered an amount of SOL, all you need to do now is simply click on swap now. So simply click on swap now, and it's performing the swap at the top of your screen here. You'd find it, and boom, the swap is done. Head over to your dashboard, perform a simple reload, and boom, you'd find the AI16z on your wallet. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.